Welcome to the CCon 2018 video tutorial on the PurpleBuzz menu options. For this tutorial, I'm using the PurpleBuzz web app. If you're using the PurpleBuzz on your Android or iPhone device, you can get to the menu options by clicking here. If you have any questions on the sessions by track, or my schedule, make sure to check out the tutorial on how to register for a session. When you open the PurpleBuzz, you will be directed to the activity feed. The activity feed provides all the latest real-time news, broadcasts, and alerts from the CCon team. The General Information menu option provides information for CCon hotel accommodations. The Map menu option provides a choice of reviewing the WTC floor plans for the first or second floor. When you click on a floor plan, a detailed map will be displayed. Did you know that the PurpleBuzz provides great contact information? Let's review the menu options: AM keynotes, presenters, and attendees. To see what information is available, for AM keynote menu option, each morning at CCon in the auditorium, attendees will be welcomed by our CCon sponsors and keynote speakers. You can get more information on the keynote speakers, such as their bio, by clicking on a specific keynote speaker. If you click on presenters, you can also get their bios. Next, at the attendees menu option, you will be provided a list of all the attendees for CCon 2018. You can click on an attendee, and based on how the attendee has set their My Profile options, you can view such information as email address, phone number, and messaging options. If you click on Networking, this groups attendees based on their interests that they have listed on their My Profile. Last, let's review the Game Center feature. By clicking the Game Center menu option, you will be provided instructions on how to earn points just by simply using the PurpleBuzz app. The PurpleBuzz app features include tweeting out to Twitter using the PurpleBuzz, uploading a photo in the gallery. To earn major points, take a survey or a quiz. You can even earn points by messaging someone. These points are automatically added for you and displayed on the Game Center leaderboard. And that wraps up our CCon video tutorial on the PurpleBuzz menu options. Thank you for listening.